Many people are interested in sustainable living. Growing your own food, raising animals, homesteading, homeschooling, and generally getting out of the system. But the longer we stay in Thailand, living simply in the country, the more I realize that the important thing is not that we get out of the system, but that we plug into and deeply root ourselves in the system we do want to be a part of. So I really want to try and make something with the banana flowers. There's another bunch that I want to get, but it's so high up. I need to be like another 5 feet taller than I am. There's a lot of different like soups and salads and things that you can make with the banana flower. This one's pretty small, so I think I would need another one to really make something. When we first moved into this house, we didn't have drinking water, and so we made a water filter. And today we're gonna see the most important step of that process, which is making the biochar.
We're going over to Philippe, our friend's house, a Frenchman that lives here. We're gonna make the biochar, which is activated charcoal that basically can provide you drinking water as a filter. And it's really clean, and apparently it's super easy to do. So we're gonna head over there now and see Philip and Nam, and yeah, show you guys what we're learning.
Observing nature, observing others, and observing myself, something becomes abundantly clear. We are not made to be separate, to cut ourselves off. Nothing reaches its highest potential and becomes all that it can be by isolating itself.
And you put a bottle and you go inside. Yeah, we dry already one. They give so much.
Oh, cool. Wow.
This will take me 1 day.
You do all this in one day?
All together 1 day.
Oh my gosh.
The longer stuff is to prepare all the wood, you know.
Wow.
1 day.
Ah, oh my
Really?
gosh. That's crazy.
Very strong, actually.
Wow, yeah.
Super
That's
strong.
so good.
Yeah.
You have the...
3 bamboo under.
Mm,
1, 2, 3.
yeah.
And this I did on the floor over there. I prepare on the floor. And
Mm,
after I bring and put on the floor.
mm. สวัสดีค่ะ There is a beautiful, intricate web of life we get to dance with, that we are reliant upon.
Because if you cut right there, you can't
Yeah.
put
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
So you just cut the way you leave a little lip here.
Mm-mm.
Then you can do that. You make a lot of holes in the bottom. And
And
you,
this
you
is...
leave out from the floor.
okay.
Hair floor, you know. And you have to be easy to take out because when it's finished, you have to kick them out to
Ah.
put in the floor, you know. This one will go on the top.
On the top.
Put this like this. Jack, and this one on the top. As a chimney, like this.
Oh.
When it's burning. Okay.
Yeah, when it's burning. When it start to burn, you install this. After, when it's finished, you just have to, you need to have the place, you knock this out, take this one out, those out, boom, you close and put your soil, seal, then 2 hours, 3 hours,
You leave
it's
it like
done,
that.
yeah. You leave it closed.
So this smaller wood is just to get the fire started, and all the bigger stuff's on the bottom.
Can even use straw, dry straw.
Anything to get it
Anything
going.
to get it started. You have to start like a few places to be sure it starts.
Furnace, right?
Yeah. Now you will see when it starts to go down, you will see the color change from here. The color will change normally.
Cool.
So you see it's not so much smoke, you see? It's very ecologic system. You know? And it's good. The best time is evening. You know? If you have a land, you have tree, you cut your tree and pop, you make your charcoal, you make your filter, you can make barbecue, you can make soap, you can make many things with this. Actually, you know?
Yeah.
And,
Make your cosmetics. Yeah.
your cosmetic,
Face
your
make-
mask, you know,
Yeah.
anything. Free. But it's a small wood, so should be okay.
Yeah, you can see the color almost is at the bottom
See,
now.
it's like a rocket store, huh?
Yeah.
No smoke. That I like. I love it. No smoke.
Yeah.
This is the best.
Very clean.
Yeah.
Okay.
That I did not want that.
Ooh.
All the metal go inside.
Yeah. Okay, now just close.
Ooh, wow.
And now
Oh my gosh.
just close now. We have to really be sealed. At the beginning I did not seal well. When I opened was only ash. You know? You have to look and really well and be sure there is no smoke coming out or sure. I'll be sealed. Have to be sealed 100%. I have nobody to show me. Yes, some people show me how to do and then after I did it. But I made a lot of mistakes too.
And you do the bottom too until you see no more smoke.
Yeah, no more smoke.
You can just leave overnight.
Yeah. Leave overnight. The more you leave, the more you show.
Oh yeah.
Got the last one.
Gotta get it sealed. It's fun. So many things with mud.
Of roots, you know. Long roots. No, these for compost.
Yeah.
Self-reliance is really a farce. And it isn't the point. The point is to actively weave ourselves deeply into the fabric and essence of life itself. And yes, growing food, raising animals, touching soil is a part of that. But more importantly, it's recognizing our place in the web. Realizing that we can't do it all on our own. And we're not meant to. And maybe once we recognize that and really embody that, the dance can become a little lighter, a little easier, a little more graceful.